Yo, what's happening, YouTube? You know what we're gonna be breaking down? We're gonna be breaking down GBP, JPY, and there's a couple things I just want to say on here, right? I made a video on it before, but I also want to point it out again. Remember, guys, if you guys don't have a beautiful trade, if it's not an A+ setup, don't take it. Be patient when you're in ranging markets. Just wait for your setup, right? So I just wanted to get that out the way, and now we're gonna head into actually breaking down the chart step by step, marking our chart up, and see kind of what market structure's telling you where we're gonna go for the end of the week. It is now Wednesday when this video is gonna be posted. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, reach out to me if you guys are interested in joining the academy, where I break down everything. And yep, deuces. So, looking at GBP JPY right now, right, what do we have? And what we have is a very beautiful, very big push to the upside, right? We're bullish, right? If you look at the daily time frame, right, price has came up, created a higher high, pulled back into a Fibonacci level, right, and is currently pushing up right now, right? If you look to the weekly time frame, currently price is bullish after we created this higher high. We came down here, rejected some type of area, and then we've got this strong bullish candle going up, right? Essentially, if you look at the breakdowns I dropped last time, I said that we were going to eventually reach these highs over here, these weekly highs at 184.000, and as of now, we're currently going to reach those highs, right? But if you look at the levels that we have, right, we're marking off the highs of last week, the daily candle right there, and also the overall highs, right? Essentially, the reason why you want to mark these areas off is because these are our target points, right? If we're in a bullish structure and we're in a bullish trend, where could we potentially be looking to take a trade, and where we're going to be looking to take profit? Well, back to the question that we answered during the technical analysis, right? Where are we going to get in to catch these longs, and where are we going to get out? Our first take profit would be these highs right here, and our second take profit would be these highs right here, right? Now, why are those our take profits? Reason being is because we take profits at potential areas of reversal, right? If there's potential for reversal, why would we want to be in it, right? So, if we're looking to go long, these are where I'm going to be looking to take profits. If I'm going to swing it, I'll look to take profit at TP2, and probably go to break even around this area right here, right? So, what's going on? What do we have, right? Where are we going to look to enter our trade? And where we're going to look to enter our trade is actually all going to depend on the lower time frames, right? We're going to have our areas marked up, and we're going to have our bias set, right? And if you guys know, our bias is set to bullish, right? We have such a big bullish market, right? We have a big bullish market. We have support and resistance being rejected, right? And currently we are in a range up in this area, right? We're in a range up in this area, and the second that you can identify the range that you're in, right? The second you can identify the range that we're in, we're going to label that a no trade zone. Why would we trade anything in here, right? Price is literally just going horizontal, right? We want to catch those trending moves, right? We want to catch those trending moves, right, to the upside, right? Or price could potentially look to end up breaking structure and go low, right? So that's basically our analysis of GBP/JPY, right? Is that we're gonna mark off and we're gonna acknowledge our areas of no trade target and what could potentially happen, right? Now why? Right? So if you're looking at structure, right, we clearly have something up here that's rejecting strongly at our GJ level, right? Over here, price cannot break to the upside, which is giving us some signs of a potential reversal where we can be continuing to go short. Or if we're going to follow the higher time frames market structure, we're going to be going long. Now, where would we be looking to go long and where would we be looking to go short, right? And those are generally just two simple areas. And this is how I go about the market, right? And I kind of just want to drop some tips for you guys, right? I want to drop some tips for you guys, and I want to let you guys know that this is what I do when I break down the market. I have a scenario for I have a separate scenario for one pair, right? So I always mark up the chart, I always analyze, and I always tell myself, where am I going to go in if we're going to go long? Where am I going to go in if we're going to go short, right? You want to react to the market. You can predict all you want, but you want to react to it. That's when you're going to catch and move. That's when you're going to be disciplined. That's when you're going to, get the best entries. And that's how you eliminate emotions out of the trade, right? That's how you eliminate emotions, because if you set your chart and your scenarios beforehand, you simply just got to wait for session to come and do what you said you were going to do, right? So in this instance, I have a no trade zone right here, right? I have a no trade zone right here, and if I'm going to continue the move, you guys know right, market structure, we're going to possibly break above, come down and retest, and then hopefully reach the highs that we are projected to reach, right? Hopefully reach the highs that we're projected to reach. That's the only way we could continue this trade, right? Why would we take any long scenario in here when price is rejecting and showing us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wicks to this level, right? It's just low probability, right? We want to take the higher probability trade. So if we're going to continue the move, we're going to want to break and retest at the upside. Very nice, very simple, right? But what happens if we're going to go short? What would we do if we go short? And we would simply need a break of structure, right? So as I teach in the academy, but you can see that price currently is trending just like this, right? Price is currently trending just like this. This is what it looks like technically, right? And if you look at our most recent pivot point, which is going to be this level right here, which on over here is going to be this level, this is going to be the level that we actually want to break to go to the other side. That's going to be the trend change. That's going to be the break of structure. That's where price is going to fail to create highs, stop up here, and then start breaking under, and then look to retest that level right here, right, to continue to go short. So that's where I'll have price coming down, retesting this level right here, and then potentially going to short, and I'm going to be taking profits at this area of support and resistance that you see marked up right here, right? And this is something that I want to show you guys, I want to teach you guys that you guys should do before every analysis, and that's have your scenarios. React, do not predict, right? So this is a very quick JPY breakdown that I'm going to be dropping down for you guys today. Remember, turn your post notifications on so you guys get the breakdown before London session. You guys can catch these moves with me if you guys can't or don't want to join the academy, where I send out all the breakdowns and the signals. So this is simply how we're going to be catching JPY. I'm going to be looking to take advantage of this trade. The reason why I'm so confident in both sides, or the reason why I'm so confident in both sides is because look what happened over here. When we fell into the same range previously, we broke under, came down, and retested, right? Now we're currently in the same range, right? So I'm going to want to break under, come down, and retest, right? Basically just, doing the same thing that's happened in history, right? There's more to Forex than just technical analysis. You want to see what happened in these areas beforehand, right? So again, react, don't predict. This is a tip that I have for you guys. Have your analysis set, but also have your analysis as to if my original play doesn't go as accordingly, what could happen, and that's how you are prepared for anything in the market, right? So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little 5-minute breakdown hopefully, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Deuces.